In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import opening balances in Zoho Books. Let's get started by opening Zoho Books. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the Settings option. Click on that. The Settings menu is your control center for various account configurations. It's where you'll want to go to set up and adjust your preferences within Zoho Books. In this menu, look for Opening Balances. Clicking on this will lead you to the page where you can manage all the initial balances for your accounts. Next, you'll see an option labeled Import Opening Balances. Selecting this option takes us into the process of importing the data you may have prepared externally. The ideal format for this data would be a spreadsheet, as it allows for easier tracking and input of figures. Now, you are ready to choose the file that contains your opening balance data. Be sure that the file is formatted correctly and contains all the necessary information. When you're confident your file is ready, go ahead and click Choose File. This will open up your File Explorer, allowing you to select the prepared spreadsheet or document that has your opening balances. After you've selected your file, it's time to move forward by clicking Next. This button is located at the bottom of the page and will take you through the steps required to complete the import process. Once you've clicked Next, you'll confirm any details from your file, ensuring that all entries and amounts are correct. Accuracy here is crucial because your opening balances set the stage for all of your financial data moving forward. Zoho Books may prompt you to match fields or make adjustments, so take a moment to verify that everything lines up as it should. With your information verified, it's time to proceed by clicking Next again. This step leads the import process further, where it's validated once more by Zoho Books to confirm data integrity. The final step is to click on Import. This tells Zoho Books to take your file and integrate your opening balances into your account records. Ensure one last time that all information is accurate before you hit this button, as any mistakes here could lead to inaccurate financial reporting down the road. And there you have it, a seamless import of your opening balances into Zoho Books. By following these steps, you've successfully set up your account with all the necessary initial information, ensuring that your company's financials are accurate and up to date from the start. If you have any further questions or face issues during the process, Zoho's support is always a helpful resource to lean on.